Hey everyone, happy Tuesday. I hope everybody is having a great Tuesday so far. So it is really early right now. I think it's still like 6, actually it's 7 already. So it's 7 o'clock. I actually got up pretty early today at like 6:30, and I just decided to just start getting ready for the day and everything because I do have a lot of things I want to do and take care of today. So I just wanted to start pretty early. And also, I wanted to let you guys know about yesterday. As you guys can see by the title, we did actually get a new car. My husband actually did get me my dream car, and I'm just so happy and so thankful for him. And obviously, this is a family car because with my car that I had, that car was also my dream car. I always love, and I still love them. I mean, now even I'm sure I'm gonna miss that car so much because I honestly really loved that car. So I was a little sad, but we got a new car and we definitely needed it. So I am just so happy and so thankful for my husband that he was able to go ahead and do this for us, for our family. As you guys may know, my parents do actually live with us, so having that car was just not convenient at all. When we all had to go out, I sat in the middle in the back seat. And we were pretty squished, like my mom and myself. So I definitely knew that in the future we would have to get rid of that car, or just get something else. And if thinking in the future, if we do actually have more kids and stuff, that car is just not practical to have. So we decided to go ahead and go look at, well, we actually honestly didn't even go look at cars because my husband, was mentioning about that one day we probably would have to get rid of that car, and get something like a SUV or a truck or something just bigger for all of us. And so we were talking about it, for a few days and stuff. It really wasn't like in our minds that we needed it right now because obviously like we fit in my car and we fit in the car, and we were okay. I saw this car and I just fell in love, and I've always wanted one of these cars. So as soon as I saw it, I showed my husband, and he also really likes it. So we ended up going to look at it yesterday, and we ended up getting it because I think it was a really good deal and we didn't want to let it go by, and for us to try to look for another one and stuff and not even find one. So we just kind of went for it, and the numbers worked for us and stuff. So yeah, we were there for like 6 hours. Like we were there for a long time. Like I mentioned to you guys, we didn't really plan on going anywhere or to look at cars or anything, but as soon as my husband actually got off work, he told me to just get ready and then call the dealership to make sure that they still had it available there. And I did, and they did have it. And so once he got home, he took a shower, I got ready, I got my son ready and stuff, and we went back to San Francisco because that's actually where it was at. So he had just came back from San Francisco, from working. So that kind of sucked. So we went over, and yeah, as soon as we got there, we talked to someone, and then he showed us the car and everything, and we obviously knew that we were gonna like it because of the pictures and everything that it has. It's just like fully loaded, and it has everything pretty much that I wanted and needed. So it's just like the perfect car for us. So yesterday I honestly didn't think about vlogging the day or anything, so I didn't even take my camera because I didn't know if we were gonna get it or not. But once we got there, I actually just decided to vlog just clips here and there. So I had to record with my iPhone. So the next few clips that I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys are recorded with my iPhone, and I apologize because I don't know why, but the audio is just weird. Like, I don't know, it just sounds weird. I don't know why that happened, but yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys those clips and the new car that we got and everything, and just share these special moments with you guys. But yeah, guys, I'm so excited. We got a new car finally. So the thing is that, you know, as I was telling you guys, my parents live with us, and with my car, we barely fit in there. But we also were looking for something that had a third row, just in case in the future, you know, I do have another baby, and where are we gonna put the baby, you know? So we definitely needed a third row, and this car did have it. So it was just like the perfect color, the perfect interior, everything. Like it has the navigation, the camera, like so many like security features. So it's pretty much fully loaded, and yeah, it was just so like perfect. So we definitely had to jump on it and take advantage, because they did give us, I think, a good deal. At the end of the day, obviously, you know, when you first go there, they're gonna just tell you crazy numbers and like things that don't even make sense. We definitely got them to go, you know, down to basically what we were comfortable paying and stuff and all of that. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the clips, and I hope you guys enjoy.
Who are you supposed to talk to?
I think she said to go to the front office or something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you. Hey, Dosa. Say hi.
No.
They fell that right.
Shit.
To the left.
What you doing? How my love? You dancing? Oh, why are you mad? Why are you mad? Where's Daddy? There he goes. Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? You see him? Guys, guess where we are at? Dominic doesn't stop whining. We are at the dealership. We're just looking at cars, and we'll see what happens and what they say. There's my husband and Dominic. We came all the way to San Francisco to see a specific car that I actually had seen last night. So we'll see what they say. Dominic. Look at this. Hey. Silly baby. Silly baby. Huh? Whoa. This is nice. Huh? Is it open?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Check it out, buddy.
It's so windy, huh, baby? Oh, did you just get a new car, baby? You got a new car? Yes? Aww. Dominic, we're gonna go right now, baby. Look, look, look. Why are you crying? Tell them why you're crying. Huh? So my husband is taking everything out of my old car. Oh, I'm so sad. I'm gonna miss it. Aww. Huh? Oh yeah, I have it. Bye. I'm gonna miss you. Oh, I'm gonna miss my car. Well, it was fun while it lasted. Time to move on. Here is our new car. Bye, Mercedes. So yeah, guys, that's how our day went yesterday, and yeah, I'm just so happy and I'm just so thankful for all of the blessings, you know, that we have as a family, and for all of you guys that, you know, show me support and watch my videos and just comment. You guys just make my day. But yeah, guys, that is our new family car. That is my new mom car. I'm so excited. I couldn't be more excited. I've always dreamed of having an X5, an X3. I always loved BMW. And yeah, that's pretty much how our day went. My son, I felt so bad because he didn't sleep at all yesterday, and he was so tired by the end. He was like screaming his head off when we were like signing the documents and stuff. Like he was just screaming, going off. And the guy was just trying to hurry to just let us come home because, you know, he definitely needed to take a nap, and I already had actually given him his milk and he didn't fall asleep. I thought he was gonna actually fall asleep on the way there, but he didn't. So yeah, he was so tired. And so yesterday, since we were out there all day long, we actually didn't get to go to my in-laws house. So they're actually gonna come and pick up Dominic to just take him and just, you know, spend time with him and stuff. So once he wakes up, I'm actually gonna get him ready and take his bath and get him ready and all that. So when they come, he's all ready to go. And I have a few things that I want to do. I actually need to go do my nails because they are crazy looking right now. I actually broke one nail, so I need to go get them done for sure. And I also wanted to record some videos for you guys because I've just been like busy and, you know, taking care of my son, and sometimes I just don't have the time. And I've just been feeling lazy, honestly, to wake up so early or to stay up later just to film. But I need to do this. I just love sharing things with you guys, and yeah, I'm gonna start doing that more often. But yeah, so hopefully I get to record a video. Plus, we actually have to go to the insurance now to, you know, let them know about the new car and stuff and get all that taken care of. So I will try to vlog for you guys, and I will show you guys the car in more detail because yesterday, like I said, we got home super late and Dominic was just so tired. So we just put him right to sleep basically when we got home. And yeah, didn't get to do anything else. But yeah, so I will try to vlog for you guys today and show you my new mom car. I'm so happy and so excited that I can't even believe I have this car. Like, every time I saw it on the road, I'm like, look, they're so nice. I love those, and I can't believe it's in my driveway. Like, I have one in my driveway. That's so crazy. I hope you guys enjoyed these clips that I actually got to record, and I'm sorry I didn't vlog for you guys. I wish I actually would have vlogged for the day, but I didn't. It was a long day anyways. We were just basically at the dealership. Like I said, we were there for 6 hours. It was so long. And yeah, I just wanted to share the story of how our day went yesterday and give you a little sneak peek of my new car. But I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. I don't want to make this too long. I will be vlogging for the rest of the day, but that will be for a separate video. Let me know if you guys would like for me to do a little kind of like car tour and just show you the inside and everything that it has and all of that. I will do that for you guys if you guys do want to see that. Make sure to go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up if you do want me to go ahead and make that video for you guys. Alright guys, so thank you guys so much for watching and for, like I said, all of your love and support. I appreciate every single one of you. You guys mean so much to me, and you guys already know that. I always tell you guys. And guys, make sure you click on the bell to get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you guys did enjoy this vlog, make sure you go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe.